तो दोस्तों आज हम जिस टॉपिक पे बात करेंगे इंग्लिश में, वो टॉपिक कुछ इस तरह है कि ज़्यादातर क्या होता है, कोई भी हम नया काम शुरू करते हैं या फिर कोई भी चीज़ हम सीखते हैं, तो उसमें लगता है समय। और जैसा कि आपको पता है कि हम इतने बिज़ी हैं कि हमारे पास समय की कमी होती है। तो उसके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं कि हम सुबह जल्दी उठ सकते हैं। ये मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव है कि अगर हम सुबह जल्दी उठें, रात को जल्दी सोएँ, तो इससे हमें बहुत सारा टाइम मिलेगा। तो इसके ऊपर चलिए शुरू करते हैं बोलना। सो इन माय पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, इफ यू गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग एंड इफ यू आर गेटिंग अप, देन it will take only a month to become habitual to your habit. For example, if you are getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning, and obviously you will have to sleep early, right, to give your body rest. If you sleep early, you will get up early. And of course, it is very difficult getting up in the morning very early initially. So, what do you have to do is just keep getting up early in the morning deliberate. I know it is not easy task. You will be feeling sleepy and tired, and so well thing will be happening within your body. But believe me, just give you 1 month and you will see that now you are accustomed to getting up in the morning without alarm and without any help. Even your body will help you to get up. Now, what happens when you get up early? So, according to me, if you get up early in the morning, like 4 o'clock, just do a thing first. And what is that? Do a little bit exercise. If you can go for jogging, if you can do yoga, if you can do gym, do anything which is for your body. Because body, these things, these activities will give you a strength, a stamina, and overall a good health, which will help you give more time to your work without being exhausted. So I have changed this thing and I have seen that when you get up early in the morning, like 4 o'clock, which I didn't do earlier, I used to get up at 8 o'clock in the morning, but now I am getting up at 4 o'clock. It was very difficult in the beginning, but gradually it became my habit. And now I don't feel any difficulties getting up in the morning. So, what do I want to say? I want to say that between 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock, I have 4 hours. And I can do a lot of things which I am learning. Suppose if I have decided to learn anything and I have decided to read anything, I have decided to do anything for which I needed time, I will use this time. During this time, I will be doing those things which I would do in daytime or at that time where I was so much busy. And I know to get up in the morning, you'll have to sleep early. For this, what you can do that, just complete your work eat early around 8 o'clock. Just eat around 8 o'clock and you can sleep uh you can sleep later, but eat early, because if you eat early, your food digests and then you sleep after 2 and 3 hours. So if your body, sorry, if your food gets digested, there is no work for your stomach and your body to do. So now when you sleep empty stomach, you can get up early in fresh mood, right? So do these things. I hope these things will help you. So thank you for watching this video.